Good evening, ma'am. I'm Christian Aloro from Bachelor of Physical Education. I want to discuss a significant issue in Philippines governance: celebrities entering politics primarily because of their popularity. In the Philippines, it has become common for individuals to run for public office simply because they are popular or confident they will win, without considering whether they have the qualification of a true public servant. Many run not to serve but to gain more fame or advance their careers. Yes, the Philippine Constitution, Article 2, Section 2, ensures equal access to opportunities for public service. However, it is essential to reflect on whether one is truly capable of handling the responsibilities of a public office. Running for a position should not be based solely on popularity or recognition but on the ability to fulfill the duties required for a public servant. The government should take action to tighten qualification for candidates seeking public office. Greater scrutiny is needed to ensure that only those who are genuinely capable and qualified can run for the whole position for public trust. By making informed decisions and promoting accountability, we can ensure that public offices are held by individuals who are truly capable of leading and serving the nation. Thank you for listening. Let us work together for brighter and responsible governance. Thank you.